Hello everyone, welcome to Scodeen Global. Let's install Power BI, industry most demand reporting tool. Go to any browser, type Power BI. You'll get this first link, powerbi.microsoft.com. Click on this Microsoft Power BI data visualization link. We'll be landed to this website. Go to products, click on Power BI desktop. Click on see download or language options. Scroll down. Here we have options to select the languages. As of now, I am keeping English as default. If we come down and expand this system requirement tab, here we can see we have options for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 11. So if you have any of the below operating system, we are good to install this software. Click on download. In download, I have two options. First is for 64-bit and the second one is for 32-bit. Installation steps for both the architecture will be same. In my current system, I have 64-bit architecture. So I'm going to click on this first. Click on next. So here you can see this download is started. I will be back once this download is completed. So you can see this download is complete. Click on this up arrow. Click on show in folder. So we have this application downloaded. Double click on this. This pop-up will appear. Click on next. Click on next. Check this I accept terms and license agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. Installation is completed. Click on finish. Then go to search bar. Search for Power BI. So we'll get this option as Power BI desktop. Click on it. Okay. Click on get started. You can skip this. You can cancel this. And this is the place where you will be preparing the beautiful reports or charts. Thank you.